Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see views on Instagram post. Friends, if you want to see how many engagement and view are coming on your Instagram post, then you simply need to open your Instagram app. Now here in your Instagram, you need to press on your profile icon. Now to see views and engagement on your Instagram post, your Instagram account should be professional. So to see the view, you need to press on the post. Now under your post, you will find view insights option. Press on it. Now here you will able to see your post, engagement, view, comments, etc. Now here you will find the complete details like how many likes on your post, how many shares, comments, etc. So friends, like this you can very easily see views on your Instagram post. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.